Hi everyone, welcome to the Print Fix ID channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix your Epson printer if it's not printing anything or just printing blank pages, using a few simple and easy steps. Press and hold the stop button for about 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then release it. The cleaning process will start. You'll notice the power light flashing, and you might hear some mechanical sounds coming from the printer. That's completely normal. This process usually takes around 3 minutes to complete. This is the most basic step when you have ink issues on an Epson printer. It's called performing a printhead cleaning. Once the power light stops flashing, it means the cleaning is done. Now let's try printing again. If the first cleaning doesn't improve the print quality, you can repeat the process 1 to 3 more times, waiting about a minute between each cycle. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps you get your Epson printer working again.